What's going on, guys? Thank you again for tuning back in. Here we are ready to go. I already went ahead and started doing some preparatory steps to pull the engine out. As you guys, some of you maybe have watched the previous video, but we got a big issue going on. We mixed water with oil, so definitely a good no-no. And it looks pretty bad in there. Sorry, lighting is not as great as it should be, but we're gonna work with what we got, and we're about to pull this bad boy out. Stick around, let's diagnose, let's see, try to find out what happened and move on from here. I got plans to painting the engine bay, doing a couple things. Now for the first step, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the axles, start working down there so I can have the bottom ready, get the axles out, and then I'm gonna start working around, pulling the intake, turbo, all that stuff. I want you to go ahead and comment, let me know if I should stick with the stock block or I should go ahead and throw some pistons and rods in it and send it, do at least going for at least 700 to the wheel. Well, we already got some bolts that are being stubborn a little, so I think I'm gonna let that soak in and come on the top, and I think I want to do the downpipe from the turbo, get it out. It'll probably free some more space back there. It's always good to come around and those bolts that are gonna be coming out, to be able to get the axles out. Just spray them a little with some water displacement 40 and we should be able to pull the axle out. Well, we're gonna let that soak in for a little, and we're gonna go ahead and work on the downpipe. While we're here, we're gonna go ahead and take this battery tray off it, and I'm looking into a battery relocation kit. I initially wanted to do it on the back, but I think I'm gonna end up doing it on the front, and then get those battery terminals that I can charge the battery or access the terminals without taking the bumper off. But yeah, let's get it. So let's see if it comes out. Oh, that was easy, huh? So there you have it, guys. One down, one more to go. So right side, having the same issue. This bolt up here just seized in there. But it should come out now in theory. So here we got both of them. They're out. So we are ready to start making some progress on the top. My plan is to go ahead and remove the intake, turbo, exhaust manifold, and a couple other things around, and hopefully lift this thing out of here. So let's go ahead and get the alternator off. That was a little too tight. Now let's see if we can get the intercooler pipes out of the way. So maybe let me get the other one out, and maybe that will help. Now that we got one pipe out, let's see if the other one will come out. Don't you love it when everything comes out super easy? There you have it. The upper pipe. Just another day in Florida. No big deal. I went ahead and drained the oil, and it definitely looks a little watery in there. Definitely looking like it might be the head gasket. I don't know, we'll see. Now we are going to do the fuel. Let's see if this works. I think it's here. Now with the fuel rail out of the way, we can work our way to the intake manifold bolts. Should be easy. And also, we are gonna go ahead and remove the intercooler. Now let's go ahead and start taking out the intake manifold. Here I got you guys a sample of the coolant, what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't see any evidence of oil being present in the coolant. I mean, it looks pretty clear. I'm no expert, but just trying to figure out what happened. If you guys happen to know, you can go ahead and post it down below. But I don't see any oil in the coolant, but I see coolant in the oil system, specifically the oil pan, and when I open the valve cover and stuff. But I don't know. Is it a head gasket? Is it a crack in the block? I don't know, guys. We'll see. Go ahead and comment. Let me know. So now, let's take the intake off. I see oil already in the intake manifold. That's great. So now that we get the intake manifold off, I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove the water pump. Should be pretty easy. Just a couple bolts. Thing is ready to come out. Let's see. Making some progress. Let's see if you guys can see. I'm already seeing oil in the intake ports. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the starter out, and then I'm gonna continue to go around, get the turbo, exhaust manifold, pull the harness out, and then hoist it up and see what it does. Let's get that bad boy out. Definitely making some progress. It's pretty cleaned up. So now we are going to move to this driver's side and rear side. Get that exhaust manifold, wastegate, turbo, unhook the shifter cables, etc. Let's get it. Now exhaust manifold. So this is currently where we're at. Exhaust manifold is out. So a few hours later. So this is where we're currently at. I kind of fabbed up this bar here to keep the chains from hitting the wall cover. But in hindsight, it could have been a little longer. But yeah, on that, measure twice, cut once. I think we're ready to come out. We might need to move some stuff on the sides, but we'll see. It's slowly coming up. All right, guys, I had to take that driver's side engine mount. It was definitely getting in the way. We are going to see. I think it's ready. I think it's ready. Beautiful. Let's see. I hope I don't run out of travel here. That will not be fun. Let's see, fingers crossed. Come on. Little Jack that could. Come on, buddy. Let's get up there. Let's go. So here's where we at. It's working out perfect. I think I'm gonna set it right here and just wait a little bit. I gotta move some stuff around before I can tear it apart. I think I'm going to remake this bar, make it a little longer. It will probably help it a little more. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm out of travel. Nah. Oh no, that's fun now. So there you have it, guys. Engine is finally out. Now I just gotta organize some things. I got the spare engine. It's already on the stand. I am leaning towards using this block. We'll see. I want to get pistons, rods, and bearings, and we're gonna build a block. But first of all, we need to tear into this one and dissect and know what happened to it, so I can learn from it, and we can all learn together, and we can move forward with the project, with tuning, building, etc. I just want to keep it short for you guys. I don't want to bore you guys too much with a lot of wrenching. Next videos, expect we're gonna tear up this engine apart, find out what went wrong, and then at the same time we got this fresh out of the junkyard. No boost through it yet, so we'll see. I don't know. I want to open that one, see what kind of surprises we got in there, and then we'll see. We'll put something together and we're gonna send it. I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you guys need help or you got questions in anything that just happened, and let me know. I'll be waiting on the comments.